Quiz 2D preposition of time on in at。大家啱啱做完測驗，好啦，而家咧就改正先。I'm going to China on Sunday day 啊嘛。第三題 Christmas Day 都係 on 㗎。12th of November 第6題日期都係 on 㗎。好啦，跟住第二題 in July 7月啊嘛。跟住1992 1992年份 in 1992 at the moment 記咗佢啦，喺呢一刻 at night。好啦 ，in the 20th century 嗱，用 the 21世紀用 the 好多時都係 in 㗎。跟住落去 dinner at 晚餐啊嘛 at dinner。Christmas at Christmas 聖誕節，好啦，留意個 day 啦，我哋係用 on Thursday afternoon。好啦 ，8 o'clock 時間嚟㗎，所以用 at。Part B. Decide if each of the underlined preposition is used correctly or not. For incorrect position, if it is incorrect. Tick if it is correct. 好簡單啦，改錯處啱就 tick， 唔啱就寫翻個正確。Are you free at the weekend？ 呢個用 at 嘅。Number 2, 1 o'clock 應該用 at。Winter in the winter。日期 4th of August， 其實呢個係 4th of August 係日期嚟㗎，所以應該用 on。Moment 頭先上面見到啦 ，at the moment。Lunchtime 呢個係啱㗎 ，at lunchtime。跟住 afternoon in the afternoon 見到啦，用 the 好多時都係 in 㗎。Night at night 又記住咯喎 ，at night in the night 唔同㗎。好啦，改正嚟到呢度，好，而家咧將個測驗交翻俾老師，拜拜。